Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use the Fulcrum app as a beginner in 2025 to collect field data with ease. So step 1, download and install the Fulcrum app on your device. Step 2, sign up for a Fulcrum account or log in. Step 3, on your dashboard, click New App to create a custom data form. Step 4, add fields like text, photos, GPS, drop-downs, and check boxes. Step 5, save and sync the app to your mobile devices. Step 6, go to the field, open the form, and start collecting data offline or online. Step 7, submit entries and sync to the cloud storage for export or analysis. Fulcrum makes it easy to gather structured data from anywhere, even without internet. So I hope this video helped you. So feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.